You know.
Ooh-wee, nice, yeah.
Ooh-wee, huh?
Yeah.
Gonna let that relax. Great.
There it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There it is. Yes, sir. Not too bad?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, need that.
How's
That
it
feels good. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Wow. My.
Alright, so we're going to begin with some stretches for your neck, okay? I'm just going to apply a little pressure here, and I'm going to stretch your neck just like this, okay? At any point, if it becomes too tight or uncomfortable, just let me know and I'll stop.
Alright.
Alright, so we're going to start with that big deep breath in. Good, then you're going to relax and let it out. How's that feel?
Good.
Should I go a little further with this? Great, take another breath in. All the way out. Is that comfortable?
Yes. As long as the head don't come off, I guess we're good.
No. All right, let's go again. Big deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. Now I'm just gonna switch to the other side, okay? Same thing. Take that deep breath once you're ready. Good. How's this side feel?
Good.
I can go further. Another breath in. Good. One last time. Big deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. How was that?
Good.
Good. So what I'm going to do is take one of your legs and drop it completely off of the table like that. This way, you can go ahead and bring it up for me. I'm going to place it right here on my shoulder. And I just want you to relax completely, okay? So I want you to start with a big deep breath in. Good. Let it all the way out. How's that right there? Do you feel like I can go further?
Try.
All right. And perfect. Let's go ahead and bring it back down. Big deep breath once you're ready. Now you feeling this on both sides? Good. We'll come back. We're gonna do it one last time, okay? Big deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Just gonna hold it for a second. Is that okay? Perfect. And then we'll come back. Now I'm gonna switch sides, okay?
Sounds good.
Down. Bring this leg up. All right. Deep breath once you're ready. Could I go further with this one?
Yeah.
Another breath in, all the way out. Good. Just gonna hold it here for a second. Big deep breath in. Relax and let it out. Good. Another breath in. All the way out. So what I want you to do is bring your knees towards your chest for me. Yeah, perfect, just like that. You can relax. This is going to be a stretch for your lumbar, okay? I just want you to relax your legs completely. Feels like you're resisting a little bit.
True.
Okay. So let me know once you're relaxed and you're ready. All right, that's better. So let's start with a deep breath in. How's that feel right there? Try to get this nice together. All right. Deep breath in and all the way out. How's that feel right there? Just hold it for a second. And then come right down. Sorry, your legs are very greasy. They keep slipping. Yeah. All right. All right, let's go this way. Here we go. Deep breath in, all the way out. Good. How's this one feel right here? Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and relax your legs down, and this stretch has two parts to it, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is place a bolster under your back. Thank you. You can just go ahead and arch up, perfect, just like that, and then relax. Are you comfortable? Okay. So you're gonna notice with this stretch, you're gonna go back a little further than before. Okay, so start with that deep breath in, let it all the way out. Good. How's that feel right there? Let me hold it, and we're gonna do it one last time. Okay, come down. Start that deep breath once you're ready. So let's start over, one more breath. And good. I'm just gonna hold it here for a second, okay? Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Perfect. So you can actually stay just like this, and then Crystal's gonna take over now, okay? All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Now this one is going to be for your hamstrings.
Okay.
What you can do is lower your legs. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this. You can let it relax. Okay. So go ahead and give a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Are you feeling that stretch? Okay. Can I go further? Okay. Deep breath in. And all the way out. Great. Let's do one more on this side. Breath in. All the way out. Excellent. And what I need for you to do is bring your toes towards your face. Mm-hmm. Great. And let it relax. I got it. I got it. That side was okay?
All right.
Okay. Other side. Deep breath in. All the way out. How's this side feeling? Okay, can we go further? All right, so a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Excellent. I do one more time, breath in, all the way out. And bring your toes towards your face. Yes.
Hello.
You feel it then, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And relax. Okay. All right. This next one is going to be for your hip and the SI joint. I'm gonna cross it over like so. Okay. So deep breath in, all the way out. Where are you feeling that stretch?
Right where you touching my behind.
Okay. At the SI joint, right?
Yeah.
Go a little further.
Nice.
Breath in, all the way out. There you go. Yep. Last one, I'll have you bring it towards your toes, okay? So, deep breath in, all the way out. Bring those toes back. Flex the toes, flex them away. Point them, yep. You're done. Okay. Great. How's this side feeling?
Wow, good.
Okay.
Like it's been stretched out.
Good, good, good. Same thing on the other side. Uh-oh, hold on. Go ahead and bring yourself up to straightness. Okay. Now, other side. I have to do a lot extra because I'm tiny. Okay. Deep breath in. All the way out. Where are you feeling that?
Same spot.
Same spot.
Just for my toes.
Okay. We're going to go a little further. Deep breath in. All the way out. Great. Okay. Last one. Point your toes. Point them. Breath in. All the way out. And flex your toes. Bring them back toward your face. Yep.
Ooh, nice. Yeah.
Ooh-wee, huh?
Yeah.
Gonna let that relax. Great job. Great job.
Mercy, mercy, mercy.
Go ahead and lift yourself up. Get this out of your way. And you are done for the stretching portion.
All right.
And I'll take you into the doctor's office.
Well, let's go.
Okay.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, your DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Jason.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So Jason, you've been to a chiropractor a while back, right?
Yeah, over 20 plus years ago.
Over 20
So,
plus years ago.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, so Jason, tell us what's going on.
Little pain, lower back area, little stiffness, tightness, while sitting or standing for a long period of time. Upper neck, right side, I'll get some stiffness, depending upon the activity. So ride motorcycle, so doing a ride every now and then, I'll get some stiffness in there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it, man.
So, I mean, nothing major going on, and then you did mention that occasional tingling on the right side.
Correct. Like slight tingling right side. I go down the right leg.
Okay.
Every blue moon, really rare, but it has occurred.
Gotcha. Okay. So then you got the stretches already, right? So
Yes.
How did that
Yeah,
go?
well, that was phenomenal. Good. They did a good job. I needed that.
Not too bad?
Not too bad at all.
Tighter than you anticipated?
Yeah, it's like a wee bit. Some of it I knew because I've been slacking on stretching, but they put you in some positions that really accentuate those less flexible parts.
Absolutely. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on the adjustments.
Right.
And it's been 20 years, right?
Yeah.
So all you have to do is just relax as much as you can. Okay. All right. Okay.
Ready?
Gonna square your shoulder up. There you go. Good. And you're going to hold on to this arm like this. All right. Your lower body, bring your lower body closer. A little bit more. Perfect. Just like that. So what you want to do is just hold on to the arm. Good. I'm going to reach in like this. Good. This leg is straight. And you're going to bend this leg. So you can loosen your arm up a little bit. There you go. Good. All right. All right. And now I need you to just relax for me. Good. There you go. Deep breath. Go ahead and let it out. Relax. There it is. Yes, sir. Any pain?
No.
No pain. All right. Let's go to the other side. All right. Loosen the arm up a little bit more. There you go. Good. There you go. Deep breath. And go ahead and let it out. Relax. There it is. Okay. Got to pop on that one, too.
Yeah.
Any pain with that?
No.
No pain. Okay. Let's have you sit up for me. Good. All right. This next one we're going to do, we're going to focus up here here, and then here, okay? Both arms are going to come up, and you're going to interlock your fingers behind your head, just like that. Good. Now, drop your whole body on me. Good, there you go. Perfect. So what you're going to do, you're going to take a deep breath, and you're going to let it out. Good, and relax at the end of that breath, okay?
Gotcha.
Got it. Deep breath, out, relax. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any pain with that?
No.
No pain.
That almost started as soon as you came in.
Center came in, right? I started
Yeah,
feeling it,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, I started feeling it. Okay, good. So now we're gonna focus on the upper thoracic, lower cervical area. Okay. All right. So let's bring the table up. Right. All I need you to do is just relax as much as you can. Good. There you go. Relax. Good. Relax, relax. There it is. Yes, sir. How was that? Any pain?
Yeah, no pain at all.
No pain.
Oh my.
Yes, sir. Let's get to the other side. Let's bring your head up for me there. Okay, put your head down. Good. Good. Same scenario, just have you relax for me. Relax. Good. Relax. There it is. Yes, sir. Felt it as soon as I had you in that position, and then several segments went after that. Any pain?
Oh no.
No pain.
No pain at all.
Yes, sir. Let's have you sit up for me.
All right. Yeah, that was awesome.
All right. Not too bad?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, need
How-
that.
how's
That
it
feels good. Yes, sir.
Not bad. All right. Lay back down. There you go. Perfect. Both legs are coming up. Drop the legs down. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So I just need you to relax. Okay.
So when he gets in the bedroom, am I sharing too much? Just kidding. Just kidding.
Let's go ahead and do a few pulls. Let me know how that feels. All right. Let's go ahead and pull. Any pain with that? No. Okay. We're gonna let that one go. Take a deep breath. Let it out. And relax, relax, relax. Good. Any pain?
No.
No pain. All right. All right. Take one big breath. Out.
Oh man.
Yes, sir.
Wow. My. Yo.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hey, we got them other ones we didn't
You got the other ones, right.
Those
You
we
get,
got.
right? Yep.
Oh my goodness, that was great.
Not too bad?
Nope.
Not too bad.
I could take a nap then.
Let's take this off. Let's have you come up. There you go. Perfect.
Wow.
Yes, sir. All right.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Stand up for me. Move around, bend, rotate, move your head and neck. Let me know how you feel.
Great.
Loose?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not too bad?
Not too bad at all.
Not too bad.
Oh man, I appreciate
Yes, sir.
it. Thank you, needed that.
So,
You gotta come see me.
yes, sir. So now the ladies are going to take over. They're going to do the massages, mainly focusing on the neck, upper, lower back. So this part feels really good. So just kind of sit back or lay back, relax, and enjoy. Okay?
No problem with that.
All right.
Relax it that way.
Let's go back.
against this hand as hard as you can. Let it go. And again, let it relax. Press against and relax. And press against, relax. Last time. There we go. There we go.
have you place your arms to the side.